Hello, friends, welcome to Refine Education. Today we will talk about Lateral Thinking is a book written by Edward de Bono, a renowned psychologist, physician, and author. First published in 1967, the book introduces the concept of lateral thinking as a method to solve problems creatively and generate innovative ideas. Lateral thinking involves approaching problems from unconventional angles and thinking outside the box. Here is a full book summary of Lateral Thinking. Introduction. The book begins by highlighting the limitations of traditional or vertical thinking, which follows a linear and logical approach to problem solving. De Bono argues that vertical thinking often restricts creativity and hinders the exploration of alternative solutions. He introduces lateral thinking as a powerful tool to break free from these constraints and develop new perspectives. Lateral thinking principles. De Bono presents several principles and techniques to stimulate lateral thinking. Some key concepts include provocation. De Bono emphasizes the importance of challenging assumptions and established patterns of thinking. By deliberately introducing provocative ideas or questions, individuals are encouraged to think beyond the obvious and explore new possibilities. Random entry. This technique involves introducing unrelated concepts or elements into a problem-solving process. By incorporating random stimuli, individuals can trigger new connections and associations that may lead to innovative solutions. Challenge existing ideas. De Bono suggests questioning established conventions and assumptions. By challenging existing ideas, individuals can uncover hidden biases and limitations that hinder creative thinking. Alternative scenarios. This technique involves exploring different hypothetical scenarios and considering their potential implications. By envisioning alternative futures, individuals can expand their thinking and generate unconventional ideas. The use of analogies. De Bono promotes the use of analogies as a way to transfer knowledge from one domain to another. By drawing parallels between unrelated concepts, individuals can gain fresh insights and apply solutions from one context to another. Application of lateral thinking. De Bono discusses the practical applications of lateral thinking across various fields, including business, education, and personal development. He provides real-life examples of organizations and individuals who have successfully used lateral thinking to overcome challenges and generate innovative ideas. Criticism and challenges. De Bono acknowledges that lateral thinking is not a guaranteed solution for all problems. He recognizes that it requires effort, practice, and open-mindedness. The book also addresses potential criticisms of lateral thinking, such as the difficulty of assessing the value of new ideas and the resistance to change. Conclusion. In the concluding sections, De Bono summarizes the key concepts and principles of lateral thinking. He emphasizes the need for a deliberate shift in thinking patterns to embrace creativity and innovation. The book concludes with a call to action, urging individuals to incorporate lateral thinking into their problem-solving processes and to challenge the status quo. Lateral thinking has had a significant impact on the fields of psychology, creativity, and problem-solving. It continues to be regarded as a seminal work on the subject, inspiring individuals and organizations to approach problems with fresh perspectives and generate breakthrough ideas.